Where is the nearest bus stop? Can I have some coffee? I like to listen to music. It's time to eat. What do you want to do? I am happy today. This is my phone. I'm going to bed. I don't like this movie. Can you help me find it? I am waiting for the bus. Please turn off the light. The movie was good. I like your hairstyle. Can you show me? I am going to work. What's your favorite color? I want to learn more. It's a sunny day. Do you have a pet? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.